did it. At long last, the pirates are vanquished. The resistance is broken, and this galaxy is finally mine! That's it. Where's the joy? The bliss? The murderous enlightenment? Why don't I feel any different?
Because you equated happiness with success. And now that you've achieved it, life is meaningless.
What could you possibly know about success, you... That's it. I haven't really won yet. There are still so many other dimensions waiting to be conquered.
Good luck finding them. It took me years just to figure out the coordinates for this one.
That's because you forgot the first rule of road tripping. Always bring a map.
A map. The dimensional map.
In the archives. He's going to Savali. You catch all that, Rivet?
Got it. We'll meet you there.
No way.
It must be nefarious. The archives held the dimensional map, correct?
Yeah. Rivet. Kid. Emperor Nefarious destroyed the archives. We're gonna check inside. See if he got the map.
The archives have been destroyed? Where is Gary?
I'm not sure.
Nefarious forces ahead. Overusing the Dimensionator. The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
So now we've got Bone Goons?
Bone Goons. Of course we do.
Is it just me? Or are these guys creepy?
Incredibly disturbing.
That rift will take us inside. Come on.
Patrolling for rebels is one of my favorite activities. Police are crushing them.
Hey, guys! I think the dead are rising down here.
Hurry, Ratchet. We must get to the archives.
We've got it covered. Don't worry about it. Bye! That rift will take us inside. Come on! We need to use that rift to get inside of the archives. Oh, no. Rivet, the dimensional map's gone. The Emperor must have gotten here first.
We're coming up on his flagship. We'll get it back. Are Gary and the monks safe?
We'll find them. Good luck up there.
Based on the structural norms,
your ship. We should find high-value assets on the upper level.
Let's hope the map's up there.
The Lombax! How did you get here?
Your security is terrible.
Flagship, progress report.
Your Greatness, apologies. The army of undead has hampered our progress.
I warned you overusing that Dimensionator would cause problems.
Problems? Never. This is a flourish to mark the occasion.
We're here for the flagship tour. We don't need a ticket, right?
Seize them!
We must scour the remaining archives. Think of the treasures within. Weapons of unimaginable power. Lost episodes of lands and journeys.
Ah, those portals are useless. The map is all we need. The rest can burn.
Wait, does that mean he has the map already, or... Ratchet, are you seeing anything from Quantum's helmet?
Nothing useful.
He has to be here. We just need to keep moving.
You made a big mistake boarding this ship.
I was just gonna take it for a quick joyride.
Never. For the Emperor! Resistance is not permitted. I will crush you for your defiance! The Emperor will hear of this!
Emperor Nefarious. I've been waiting for this. Wait! Huh?
Oh, it's you! I hoped you'd find me. Oh, sorry, coming back to one's body mid-meditation. Oh, that's smarts.
What are you doing here?
The Emperor captured me after he discovered I'd hidden the dimensional map in an anomaly.
So he doesn't have it yet.
No, but he's opening rifts willy-nilly to get to it. It's only a matter of time before he's successful.
Ratchet! Good news and bad news. Bad news, the Emperor's not here. Good news, we're with Gary. He says the map's hidden inside a dimensional anomaly.
In the catacombs, you can get down there by activating the excavation towers.
You can activate them via nearby pressure locks.
One of the pressure plates.
It's turning on. Let's find another. Oh, hey! Our creepy undead friends are back.
I really do not like the clicking sounds they make.
You're getting off the ship. Let's go, Gary.
Yes, good idea.
Meet you guys in the catacombs.
Another turned on. Good thing Nefarious doesn't have a map to help him find the map.
Only one remaining.
I thought you said this was the way out. It appears to be the lower engine room. The layout of the ship is odd. Would it kill Nefarious to hang a big neon exit sign? Did you, Gary?
Unfortunately.
That is all right. We will defend you.
Guess we have to go down, huh?
I am ready.
All right, let's get down into the catacombs. Whoa, is that the anomaly?
It is. This place is
Huge.
If you can get us there, I will be able to get inside and find that map.
Gary, did we take a wrong turn? We're in a giant tube that smells like the underbelly of a snagglebeast.
The aqueducts! There should be a trail of goo that leads to the catacombs. It's a byproduct of... it's not important.
Go! Right. Come on, almost there. Excuse us.
Just drive through them, Ratchet. We made it.
Hey, it's the monks.
We found the rift to their dimension and came to seal it. If you hold them all.
We're on it. You said it, pal!
If it means we will never have to see a bone goon again, I am happy to assist.
You're right. The clicking is super creepy.
It has completely ruined percussion instruments for me. Like creatures.
Yeah, no, not a fan. Can't let the bone goons stop the monks. Okay, back to being undead.
The rift is closed. Thank you, wayfarers.
We must proceed to the anomaly.
Gotta go. Stay safe, guys.
Ratchet, Clank, we're planet side. Find the map yet?
I will retrieve the map as quickly as I can.
You got this, Bolts. We'll meet you down.
Ratchet, I
Did it! Hooray! Now hand it here so I don't have to send your friend's head to Torren 4. Don't worry! I'll be hosting a viewing party of my victories. It's all
Come on, kid. We gotta... Run. Run? This is our last chance to stop him! Sorry. It was you!
What are you doing here?